And therefore you make the same kind of what you want, that kind of prayers you make. In olden days in India, the status of females or the women were low. And in the society they felt that they don't have too much power. So therefore there were many people, many women who didn't want to be women or born as women. But then at that time also, there were some other women, like Tara, for instance, who said that she doesn't like this kind of, what can you say, this bias against the woman. So therefore, I would especially want to become all the time, from now onwards, from the time she regenerated bodhicitta till she became enlightened, she will always appear in the form of a female and nothing else. So made that specific, prayer and dedication. So therefore, the prayer is not something that is, prayer is something that you do what you want, what you wish, what is kind of more important and desirable for you. What is written in the prayer is not something that is, that's the Buddhist way of thinking. The prayer is written as the people desire, people want, and that is what you pray for. It's not something that this is found in a Buddhist prayer, so therefore this is the Buddhist view. It's not like that. This has to be very clearly understood. You can pray whatever you want. For instance, although this whatever may be written in that particular prayer,
text,
sutra,
dharana.
Yeah, dharana or sutra, you don't have to worry about that. Although it is said in that dharana like that, if you wish that, oh yes, then you can pray that may all men become women. and really pray like that in your heart. But it's not just because, somebody did it, like Tara did something like that, and so I must do it. It's not like that. You must have good reasons. You must, why it should be like that, and what are the benefits of this. And so if you see clearly that benefit, and then if you really want it, and if you really, feel the, need and the benefit for it, then yes, you can do that. You can pray whatever way you really want it. So this is very important to understand.
We will start with the long life prayer at the bottom of the inside pages, in English. May the noble lady wish-fulfilling wheel completely quell the obstacles that come in the glorious Gyalwan Karmapa's difficult year, and make it so he lives for many eons.
Sarvapa pasya karanam kujanasyo vasambada swajita mayavatapanam etat buddhanam shasanam tarakatimiram devo maya vashyaya buddham savanam cha vidyutapram cha evam darshaya sanskritam anena punyena tu savata darshita